Hello everyone. So here in this problem we have to find out value of I3 by Cramer's rule, and here we have three equations given. So to apply the Cramer's rule we have to find out the determinants by using Saru's rule, and for that we want the equations in the standard form. So if you will observe here, then the second equation is not in the standard form. So first of all we will bring all the equations in the standard form. So here I will say, writing the given equations in standard form. So we will get first equation, that is 4I1 minus 3I2. Now friends, if you will observe the second or third equation, then you will find one more variable, that is I3, and if you will see the first equation, then here I3 is missing. It means the coefficient of I3 is 0. So here I can write it down as 0 I3 and is equal to 2. So this is equation number 1. Now the second equation, for that I will take this 3I1 on the left hand side, so it will become minus 3I1 plus 9I2 minus 4I3 is equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. And in the third equation, if you will see, then I1 is not there. So I will write it down as 0 times I1 minus 4 times I2 plus 9I3 is equal to 0. So this is equation number 3. So now we got all the equation in the standard form. So now we will apply the Saru's rule to find out the value of determinants. So here I will say, by Saru's rule, this D is nothing but determinant of the coefficients of variable. So here the coefficients are 4, minus 3, 0, minus 3, 9, minus 4, and 0, minus 4 and 9. So by solving this 3 into 3 determinant, we will get 4 now the last term is 0. So 0 into minus 3, 0, 9 and minus 4. So this will become 4, 9 9s are 81, this is 16, but we give the negative sign between, so minus 16 plus 3, minus 3 into 9, that is minus 27, and this is 0, and the last term will be 0 because 0 into anything is 0. Next, if we will subtract this, then here we will get 81 minus 16, that is 65, and 65 into 4 if we will do, we will get 260. Next, this minus 27 into 3 will get minus 81, and if we will subtract this, then we will get 179. So the value of D is 179. Now if you will observe the question, then we have to find out the value of I3, and to get the value of I3 I have to find out one more determinant, and that is nothing but dI3. So that by Cramer's rule I can apply the formula dI3 upon D and I can get the value of I3. So therefore here I will find out D of I3, and to get D of I3 will replace the coefficients of I3 from D by the constants. So this third column will be replaced by the constant 2, 0 and 0. So this will become determinant of first column as it is, that is 4, minus 3, 0, second as it is, that is minus 3, 9, minus 4, and the third column will be replaced by constant. So constants were 2, 0 and 0. So now By solving this, here we'll get 4, this is 9 minus 4 0 0, here we'll get plus 3 into minus 3 0 0 0 and plus 2 into minus 3 0 9 and minus 4. So if we'll calculate, then we'll get 0 minus 0, here we'll get plus 3 into 0 minus 0 plus 2, here we'll get 12 minus 0. So here we'll get 0 into 4 0 plus 0 into 3 0 and here we'll get plus 24. So we'll get the value as 24. So we got the value of di3 as 24 and the value of d as 179. Now let's find out the value of I3 by Cramer's rule. So therefore I'll say by Cramer's rule, I3 is equal to di3 upon d. So the value of di3 is 24 upon value of d is 179. So you can keep the answer as 24 upon 179, or if you'll calculate this in calculator, then you will get as 0.134. So the value of I3 is 0.134. Thank you.